LinkedIn have just released a brand new feature, and that is the ability for us now to start creating polls. Fantastic. It's a long overdue, and most of the other social media platforms have had it for many years now. Now it's available to use on desktop, but the question is, have they given us the ability to use it on the all-important mobile device? Well, stay tuned because I'm going to answer that question, and it's coming up right now. So here we are on my LinkedIn profile, Mark Warnken, and if we aren't yet connected on LinkedIn, by all means, send me a connection request. Let's open up the lines of communication. If we are connected, send me a message and say hello and let me know where you're tuning in from around the world. And if you're watching this on my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and tick the little bell icon. That way you stay up to date with all of my social media for business content that I put out every week. So the LinkedIn world over the last week has been a buzz because they released a brand new feature, and that feature was all about being able to now conduct polls on LinkedIn. Fantastic. It's been long overdue because most of the other social media platforms have already got it. So I did my first poll a few days ago. It was a very basic one. Hello to all of my connections. What other social media platforms are you going to be focusing on? 80 odd views, lots of likes and comments and shares. And I absolutely loved it because I was able to get quick, instant feedback from my connections around the world. But I started getting lots of questions. One of those questions was, Mark, have they given us the ability to conduct these polls utilizing the all-important mobile device? And it's a fantastic question because most of us now have our smartphones, our mobile phones in our hand all the time these days. And quite often with the social media platforms, they will release a new feature, but they will limit the accessibility of it. So sometimes you can only use it from the desktop, and other times you can only use it from mobile and things like that. So I thought, let's record a video. Can we use the LinkedIn polling feature from your mobile device? Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. And the answer is yes. Thankfully, they have given us the ability to start polling from our mobile device. Now, I will say straight away, it is a staggered release with this LinkedIn polling feature. It is not available to everyone at the moment. I was one of the lucky few who have got it, but it's just random. There's no reason why I have it over anyone else. From what I understanding, it's maybe 10 to 20% of people have that polling feature at the moment, but it is getting rolled out, and I'm quite sure everyone will have it within a short period of time. So how do we create a poll from our mobile device? Well, we click on the home screen that most of us are probably familiar with on our mobile device. And up the top left here, we go to write a post. Pretty standard stuff. Most of us are probably used to doing this on a daily basis, that type of thing. Down the bottom, see here in the red box, they've given us now another option, create a poll. So simple, so clever, and it's been a long time overdue. So we click on create a poll. It then brings up this particular screen where you now start to fill in the boxes. You ask your questions, you give the options for people, and you create a duration. How many days do you want to run that for? It is all pretty intuitive. For most of us nowadays on our mobile device, we will skim through this in no time at all. So the question that I'm asking on this example is, how often will you be using the new LinkedIn polling feature? Now you get 140 character spaces. I've only used 64. Option 1, I'm going to be saying daily, weekly, monthly, and you do get 4 options to actually ask the audience. Now, the poll duration, you get 1 day, 3 days, 1 week, and 2 weeks. I honestly believe 3 days is more than enough to get some feedback from the marketplace, your customers, your clients, whoever it may be. But I will leave that up to you to decide how long you want to have your poll running for. So you click done, and then you move to the next screen. Now, the next screen, see, it started to populate here. How often will you be using the new LinkedIn polling feature? Daily, weekly, monthly, never. You want to add a little bit of a preamble. You want to add a little sentence leading into it. So my poll is titled, how often will you be using the new LinkedIn polling feature? You could maybe ask a question along the lines of, just would a quick survey of all of my connections on LinkedIn on how often they might be using it, something along those lines. Best practice everywhere on social media these days, not only on social media but on LinkedIn as well, is adding hashtags. 3 to 5 hashtags seems to be the ideal sweet spot here on LinkedIn. So you add your hashtags relating to the content of your poll. That way it'll help people find it via search and any other methods that they're trying as well. So we do that, we're almost done, a few more clicks and away we go. You then get the opportunity to decide how many or where your post actually goes to. So the first option would be to anyone on or off LinkedIn. But I've actually linked my Twitter account with my LinkedIn profile. So every time that I post on my LinkedIn profile, I tick the little box down here. It sends it to my Twitter news feed as well. Now, I have a separate video on actually how I did that, so I will put that in the comment section below. And if anyone else is wanting to find out how they can link their Twitter profile with their LinkedIn, and what it does is it posts to both at the same time. You do get the options though to send it to your connections only, group members, that type of thing. But I'm choosing on this particular example to send it to the greater LinkedIn audience, online and offline, plus my Twitter news feed. Clicking one more time, I am just about to go because see how it's now populated. Everything is ready. It's going to go to anyone on Twitter anyone on LinkedIn plus my Twitter feed. The poll is there. You would add your hashtags, you would add your extra comments, and that's how it actually ends up and looks. Once you've pressed submit your post, or once you've posted on LinkedIn, that's how it is going to look on a daily basis. Sorry, not a daily basis, on the mobile news feed. People then get the option to click daily, weekly, monthly, never, and then the percentages start filling in as well. So it is that simple. I'm so glad they have done it on they've given us the ability to post on LinkedIn Mobile. Equally, I am so glad that they gave us the ability to post from LinkedIn company pages. Just yesterday, I recorded it and uploaded another video to my YouTube channel about posting polls from your LinkedIn company page. Again, I will put that link to that video in the news feed below. So there we go. Yes, you can start polling from the all-important mobile device. Thank you, LinkedIn. This has been a long time coming, and I am glad we all now will get to start benefiting from this great feature.